In this video, I will show you how to record and post a video to your WeChat channel. Let me show you how. Open up your WeChat app. Click on Discover. Click on Channels. Click on this profile icon. Click on Post Video. And the camera is going to open up like so. Now here, you can record front camera or back camera. This depends on the kind of video you want to make. Now you can slide this way. This allows you to add different effects. Then from here, you can slide this way. This allows you to choose different filter as the case may be. However, you can record without adding a filter. And at the same time, you can record front camera or back camera. How do you do that? Simply click on flip right here. When you flip, it flip the camera to the backward of the camera, just like what you see right here. Flip back to the front, then you are back to the camera. Now you want to start your recording. All you have to do is to simply tap on here, and at the count on here, the video is going to be generated, and open up in the editing tab right here. So here you can as well delete and remove some of the parts you don't want with the video. For that, all you have to do is to simply click on edit right here. So when you click on edit, it's going to take you to where you can properly edit your video in this window right here. If you have any area you would like to remove from the video, just go ahead and remove them. So like for instance, if I want to remove the end part right here, I'm going to select on the video, click on split. Then I'm going to select on this one right here and click on delete and this trash bin. So let's play the video just like so. So once you are satisfied with the result of the video, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then proceed to upload of your video. You can as well work on the video canvas right here. You have different dimensions, different canvas as the case may be. Then go ahead and click on this check mark and you are done. So you can simply go back to the home page right here. Now here you can add music into your video. You can as well add text into the home page right here. So for you to add text, click on here. This allows you to see different text templates right here. So you can select title or special font as the case may be. You have different Chinese font right here. Select your font right here. Allow the font to download. Now successfully download. You can make your type. So when you type, it's going to give you what you have in the text box right here. So if you're satisfied with that, then go ahead and click on check mark. You can click on style. This allows you to choose from another style. So let's take a look at this style right here. Just like so. So if you are satisfied with the style, then you are good to go. You can scroll down right here and see more different style as the case may be. So go ahead and click on this check mark right here to accept your style. Then you can drag the text in whatever position of your choice. It's that simple. Original audio recognition, click on it. Then you can import or start recognition of a particular voiceover you want to use right here. So once you are satisfied, simply exit from the edit text tab right here and come back to the environment right here. You can as well add an emoji sticker as the case may be. Once you are done, click on done right here and ready to upload your video just like so. Save to photo once edited. Simply click on got it. So exporting your video. Just like so. So at this point here, enter the title of the video, enter the hashtag as the case may be. Lastly, go ahead and hit on post and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.